treasure that surrounds us every day? So yeah, is it something we can hold in our hands? No, it's something much bigger and more amazing than that. It's nature. Nature has amazing things like mountains, rivers, forests, and animals. We can enjoy the sunshine, watch the stars twinkling at night, and explore the wonders of the natural world. Nature has the power to inspire us and calm us. But we must also remember to take care of nature. We must reduce, reuse, and recycle. Every small action helps. Nature is a treasure that we must protect for future generations. I'm glad we have nature to inspire us and make our lives richer. Let's join the students of 3D to appreciate the beauty and wonder of nature and do our part to preserve it.
Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you.
ವನದೇವಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಬಂದರೆ ಹೇಗಂತ